Hi everyone, Elizabeth from SugarHero here, and today I'm showing you how to decorate cupcakes with mini fondant roses. Start with pink fondant rolled out thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick, and cut into strips about 1/2 an inch wide. Now take a strip and roll it up around itself in a spiral to make a rose shape. If it's not sticking together, you can add a little dab of water or corn syrup at the end to make sure it stays closed. Twist off some of the back so it tapers. Now what we just made are called ribbon roses. To make these really special, take a bit of edible luster dust and brush it all over the roses so that they pop. We also need to make some leaves and vines, so take a bit of green fondant and pinch off a tiny piece. Shape it between your fingers to make a leaf shape. Now you can also use cutters for this, but these are just so small it's easy to use your hands. And then I also make a few small twisting vines to go with them. To put it all together, pipe a big swirl of buttercream on top of a cupcake. I'm using what's called a Russian ball tip to make those nice ruffles. Add some mini roses on top and finish them off with a few leaves and vines. These can be made in lots of different sizes, and they're also great for decorating cakes. They just add that perfect romantic touch to any dessert.